Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you're an oldie, welcome back guys. So today we are doing a really cute and simple blend out transition shade using 3 colors, and I just want to show you guys one of my new techniques that I have been enjoying and liking to do, and I wanted to share with you guys. So that is what I'm doing here, and that is how I had achieved this look. So if you want to see how this look came together, you can just continue to watch. Alright y'all, let's go ahead and get started here. So what I'm doing is starting with the transition shade, or the first transition shade, and that is from the Warrior palette from Juvia's place. I don't have the name of the actual eyeshadow, but it's the only brown in there, and if you've seen my previous videos, it is like my go-to for my transition shade. But I'm going in with that brown, and I'm going in with the blotting method. I like to blot first and then blend out because it helps me apply the actual product, and then the blend out just helps it transition it and smooth it out to the arch area, and also just into the inner lid as well. Next then, y'all, I know y'all gonna be like, girl, why are you even doing this thing if you don't know the names? Okay, but I'm still in the Warrior palette, but I'm going in with the dark brown shade. Like, it's the one that almost looks like it's black, but it's not. So I'm going in with that color now, and that is the color that I'm applying on top of this first transition shade. I'm just building up the darkness. So I like to start off light, and I know some people do dark and then go light, but I like this way better because I like to, when I apply the different shade on top, I can go back in with a lighter shade, and then I just find that works easier for me to blend it out to make it smoother. I know some people work differently, but I have tried different ways, and I can do a look with both, but this way just helps me blend it out, and it always gives the finished look that I like. But everybody has their own preference, so I'm just blending it out here with both of those colors, and just building up my eyelid. All right, in this step here, I'm going in with my P. Louise eyeshadow base in the number 4, and I am just blotting that with my Morphe brush, and I'm just applying that in the area that I want the lighter shade to come in, and I'm going to blot it here and try to fade it out to the top, and then I'm going to go in with my concealer brush to blend it all out. And then what I'm going to do on top of that is go in back on that Warrior palette from Juvia's place, and I'm going to go in with the lighter shade, and it's like, it looks like a white, but it's not. It's like a very fan tan color, and I'm going to apply that on top of the lid to give it that soft look that's going to blend out this eyeshadow look. it. Previously in a video before this, I stated that a lot of videos I'm going to be doing here now, I'm going to be focusing more so on my eyes because my foundation routine has not changed. So I really want to just focus on the main point, which is the eyes, which is different depending on the look that I'm trying to achieve. So I hope you guys are liking these short but detailed videos to give you tips and tricks on how I achieve certain makeup looks. If you did like it and made it this far, please don't forget to thumbs up. And if you haven't already, subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss an upload, guys. And as always, stay true and stay you. And I will see you guys in the next video.